Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate GST after discount on multiple items in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have data, item list, quantity list, rate, then discount percentage and GST percentage. So here I'm going to calculate first gross amount. So here I type the gross amount and in first cell type here is equal to. Select the first quantity, then add here the asterisk sign, then select the rate and press the enter and here the gross amount is calculated. Then select the cell, double click on this corner point to fill the below cell. And you can see the gross amount is calculated of all items. Then next here, I'm going to calculate discount amount. Select the cell is equal to, select the gross amount, use the asterisk sign and select here discount percentage and press enter. Now select the cell, double click on this corner point and here you can see below cell is filled with the discount amount. Next here I'm going to calculate taxable amount. Okay. I just double click and set here. To calculate taxable amount, select the cell is equal to, select the gross amount minus discount amount and press the enter. Now select the cell, double click on this corner point and here you can see the taxable amount is calculated. Now next I'm going to calculate here GST amount. So type here GST amount and select the cell and is equal to, then select the taxable amount, add the asterisk sign and select here GST percentage in E2. You can see the E column, the GST percentage is available and press the enter and that's it. Here the GST amount is calculated. Same as double click on this corner point to fill below GST amount. Next here I'm going to calculate final amount. Okay. To calculate the final amount, select the cell is equal to, select the taxable amount plus GST amount and press the enter. And here double click on this corner point and fill the below cell the final amount of every product. Okay, so this is a way you can calculate GST after discount on multiple items in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.